Are you looking for a best coolers on Amazon in 2021? In this video, I will show you the 5 best coolers on Amazon in 2021 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the YETI Tundra 45 cooler. YETI Tundra coolers are the stuff of legends. They're built for whatever Mother Nature throws their way, which is surprisingly a long list of incredibly dangerous creatures and weather patterns. But no sweat, these outdoor coolers are more than up for the challenge. From the backcountry to the barbecue get-together, your YETI Tundra is ready for any and every outdoor adventure. Extra thick walls hold up to 2 inches of insulation for unmatched ice retention. Pressure-injected commercial-grade polyurethane foam in the walls and lid makes sure your ice stays ice. Makes it armored to the core and virtually indestructible. The 4th product on the list is the Arctic Zone Titan Deep Freeze Zipperless Hardbody Cooler. The Titan Deep Freeze can zipperless cooler keeps ice up to 3 days. The exterior includes our patented, flip-open zipperless lid for quick access to food and drinks, as well as an insulated front pocket. The interior features deep freeze high-performance insulation with radiant heat barrier and a removable hardbody liner with Smart Shelf. The Smart Shelf allows you to keep hard stuff like drinks separate from soft stuff, so sandwiches and other soft foods don't get crushed. If you want to use the entire liner, the Smart Shelf easily removes to provide one large compartment. Designed for convenience and usability, this cooler also features an adjustable back saver shoulder strap with shoulder pad and Rhinotech exterior material that is tough, water and stain resistant, and easy to wipe clean. The 3rd product on the list is the Pelican Elite Cooler 20 Quart. Summer may be hot, but your Pelican Elite Cooler will stay cold. Durable construction and a continuous layer of 0.78 inches of polyurethane foam insulation mean these coolers are fit for every adventure and will always deliver amazing performance. Your Pelican Elite Cooler is always party ready with features like molded in cup holders and a built-in bottle opener. The 20 Cutie Pelican Elite coolers were designed to be versatile and easy to use. The overmolded carry handle has a rubber grip, and there's an ergonomic groove along the back to make it more comfortable to carry. The 20 Cutie Pelican Elite Cooler is true to capacity, which means it can hold 15 cans or 4 wine bottles and still have plenty of room to follow the 2:1 ice ratio. This injection molded cooler has been engineered to be up to 30% lighter than rotomolded coolers of a similar size without sacrificing durability or performance. The 2nd product on the list is the Coleman Steel Belted Cooler. Stainless steel cooler, which has everything you love plus modern twists like a sleek stainless steel finish and an always-there, built-in bottle opener. Comfort grip handles make it easier to carry out to the backyard tailgate, kid's birthday party in the park, or family beach day. Have extra guests show up? The Have a Seat trademark lid can be used as an additional seat that supports up to 250 pounds. The built-in stainless steel bottle opener lets you pop open a cold drink at the tailgate while filling up on your favorite snacks. Large enough to hold up to 85 cans, there's plenty of drinks to go around, and the cooler keeps the ice trademark for up to 4 days in temperatures as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit. When the fun is winding down, the rust-proof and leak-resistant channel drain offers no-tilt draining for easy cleanup. High-capacity, heavy-duty cooler features a charming retro design. 54-quart capacity accommodates up to 85 cans, keeps the ice. Insulation offers 4-day ice retention in temperatures as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit, built to deliver years of performance with rust-resistant stainless steel hardware. Comfort grip steel handles allow for easy, controlled lifting and carrying. Extreme technology, insulated lid and extra wall insulation keep ice up to 5 days in temperatures as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit. High capacity, holds up to 100 cans. The 1st product on the list is the Robar/Roller Wheeled Camping Rolling Cooler. Robar Roller 80 Quart Wheeled Camping Cooler isn't just a cooler. It's an all-terrain attacking, gear-hauling beast of burden that can go anywhere you can. Accessories allow you to customize it for any outing, from the trail to a tailgate. High-performance, puncture-resistant tires mounted on rust-proof aluminum hubs. These lightweight 9-inch wheels spin fast over rough terrain and stay afloat in deep sand. The removable dry bin sits in the deepest and coldest part of the cooler, providing refrigerator-style organization with individual compartments for keeping meats, veggies and large bottles separated and below FDA food-safe temps for up to 10 days. The pop-up storage bin converts the Robar into an all-terrain wagon for moving gear in fewer trips. Quick-release attachments let you add or remove the bin fully loaded. Robar 80-quart wheeled camping cooler to your bike, and that means two things. 1. This is the only cooler on the market that can be towed by a bike. And 2. This is by far the coolest cooler on the market. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.